Question 12.36 is very similar to 12.35 in that we have to use Raoult's law to find our new boiling point, right? So again, Raoult's law was the vapor pressure of my solution equals the mole fraction of the solvent in that solution times the vapor pressure of the solvent in that solution. So the same thing here, right? We've got 2.5 moles of basically this solute, this blue fruit drink mix that we're adding to 1.46 liters of water. Given the density and given our vapor pressure, right? This is the vapor pressure of my solvent. What is the vapor pressure of the solution, of the blue fruit drink? So same thing as last time, we have to find my mole fraction first, right? To find the mole fraction, I already know moles of my solute. I have to find moles of my solvent. So I've got 1.46 liters, and I know in 1 liter I have 1,000 milliliters. And then given the density of water, right, I know 1 milliliter of water is 1 gram of water. So multiply that by 1,000 and I get 1,460 grams of water. Water is 18 grams per mole, right? 18 grams for every 1 mole of water. So divide that by 18 and I get 81.1 moles of water. Now I can find my mole fraction, right? The mole fraction, okay, I have 81.1 moles of water over my total. My total moles would be 2.5 moles of my solute plus the 81.1 moles of my solvent to get a mole fraction of about 0.97. Now I can use Raoult's law, right? My vapor pressure of solution equals the mole fraction, 0.97, times the vapor pressure of my solvent, which is given above, 25.4 millimeters of mercury. And now you'll notice the units are different for this pressure, right? It doesn't specify units, so I would not change units of pressure. Multiply those two together, and I get a new vapor pressure of my solution, approximately 24.64 millimeters of mercury. And again, do not worry, right, about the units. I would not change units of pressure because they give us millimeters of mercury, and don't ask, I would keep it millimeters of mercury. The last check to run is to make sure we're lower than our initial pressure, and yes, our initial vapor pressure is 25.4 millimeters of mercury, and we end up at 24.64 millimeters of mercury.